Well, we got a big piece of shade cloth here. This one here is 12 by 20. Now it comes in lots of other sizes. Now this is, I believe, 90% shade. So really just blocks the sun, but lets the air come through, and it also lets the rain come through. So very nice. One thing I like about it is got the metal grommets here. And with that, and then you can tie it down. It came with some rope, but I was also using twist ties, and it just fastens up very nice. Let me see if I can find that rope here. Yeah, here we go. Let me just grab that, folks. Yeah, this is nice. So it comes with this rope here. So, this can be used at all four corners to tie it down. But again, I like it. I'm just covering my young seedling plants from the sun, just harden them off. But what a great product. Well built. So I'm happy with it.